Policy decisions are taken by ministers. Administrative decisions are taken by secretaries.
Yes, and those
If you
decisions
start giving administrative decisions to ministers, then you completely destroy the bureaucracy. That's not their job. Their job is policy matters. वो क्या करना चाहें? बाकी implementation work is always of the secretary.
Yeah.
They are saying that this task should also be given to minister. मतलब posting, transfer, demotion, जो भी bureaucratic चीजें, implementation of government policy. So they will make policy and they will implement it. I don't know. Where is this coming from? Which part of the term of reference? I'm really disappointed. Was it done for free?
No, sir.
Kya?
They were paid, I suppose. I think they were paid, yes.
You know it or no?
No, I can tell you for certain that they were paid. I don't know exactly the amount which I can get you.
Now what do we do with
But I
this?
do know that they were paid for this.
Do we need to ask them to come and respond?
My lord,
This report certainly did not do the task it was assigned.
my lord, we have gone through it. I've read it out before your lordships. The deficiencies well, there is perhaps nothing in this. I think they need to come and respond. Otherwise, this report,
मतलब एक काम की बात इसमें पूरे रिपोर्ट में बता दें
मुझे तो नहीं नजर आई।
कि जी ये कर दें, मसला हल हो जाएगा, या मसला चलें थोड़ा ठीक हो सकता है, बेहतरी की तरफ जा सकता है। एक चीज बता दें पूरी रिपोर्ट में, इधर तकरीर उधर तकरीर, इसको एग्जोनरेट करना तो उसको कंडेम करना। भाई ना आपका काम किसी को एग्जोनरेट करना था ना किसी को कंडेम करना था। आउट ऑफ द वे जाके आप लोगों को नाम ले रहे हो, आउट ऑफ द वे जाके लोगों को एग्जोनरेट कर रहे हो। और इट स्मैक्स ऑफ प्रोविंशियलिज्म आल्सो, व्हिच इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट। Why are you doing this? What for? What is your position on this?
My lord,
The government has to either endorse the report or reject the report.
my lord,
Our thinking is maybe coming to one conclusion, but we want to know, is the government supporting, endorsing this report or not?
my lord, the federal government is to consider this report. While it is
काफी दिन हो गए आपको, कब तक consider करेंगे?
I will get a follow-up on this, but as has been observed, and I have also gone through it with you, I don't see what action items should the government or the government can take based on the recommendations of this report. There is nothing clear. There is no clarity here, and even the liabilities or the responsibilities that were to be fixed, there is also nothing.
ला कानूनियत को अगर रोकना है तो कुछ तो करना होगा। गुस्ताखी माफ वो लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये मट्टी पावर प्रोग्राम वाला जो है ना, ये सिलसिला खत्म हो जाए।
जी, उससे तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना, वो अब तक तो यही होता है, मट्टी डालते आए हैं तो यहाँ पहुंच गए हैं।
ये भी वही लग रहा है।
Yeah, maybe it was acted upon the 2019 judgment, February. 9th May 2023 may not have happened.
That's right. We can just go back to the judgment actually. ये इससे तो कुछ नहीं समझ आई।
In judgment we have given precise things to
federal
do.
government to actually do something, इसके अंदर तो उन्होंने actually responsibility fix करनी थी कि भाई कौन लोग हैं जो delinquent थे या responsible थे, वो तो हुआ नहीं। Judgment's paragraph 53 is quite clear in terms of what it requires the government to do.
We've given very clear, precise things.